Anxiety and depression are so prevalent in today's society. Is there a way we at home can alleviate some of the stresses caused by these invisible mood killers? Let's take a look at some of the foods we can consume to help our bodies and minds combat the effects of anxiety and depression. Welcome to our scientific exploration of the incredible connection between nutrition and mental health. Today, we embark on a journey through cutting-edge research to understand how the foods we eat and the vitamins we consume can influence our emotional well-being. So, let's dive deep into the fascinating world of nourishing our minds to alleviate anxiety and depression. Living with anxiety and depression is an invisible battle that many of us face daily, and the way we feel can be powerfully impacted by what we put on our plates. Beyond professional help, exciting scientific findings suggest that specific nutrients might hold the key to supporting our mental health. Get ready for a captivating journey through the scientific wonders of mood-boosting foods and vitamins. You might want to write some of these points down. The marvel of mood-boosting foods. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Prepare to meet the superheroes of brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids. These brain-buffing nutrients, particularly EPA and DHA, wield anti-inflammatory powers and have a direct influence on neurotransmitter function. Think of them as the peacekeepers of your mood-regulating neurotransmitters, serotonin and dopamine. Recent studies, like the meta-analysis published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry, have shown that omega-3 supplementation significantly reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety. It's like giving your brain a soothing massage from the inside out. One groundbreaking study conducted at the University of Oxford found that individuals with higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids in their blood had a 64% reduced risk of suffering from depression. The science doesn't lie. These powerful fats are a mental health powerhouse. Boost your omega-3 intake by indulging in the bounty of the sea, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. If you prefer a plant-powered approach, sprinkle flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts into your diet. Your brain will applaud your nutritional heroics. 2. Complex carbohydrates. Get ready to debunk the carb confusion. Complex carbs, those intricate structures found in whole grains, fruits, and veggies, are the unsung heroes of stable blood sugar levels and serotonin production. When it comes to mood support, they're like Zen masters, keeping you centered and balanced. Evidence, such as the study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, reveals that those who embrace complex carbs enjoy greater emotional equilibrium. It's like planting seeds of calmness in your daily meals. A fascinating experiment conducted at the University of Sydney demonstrated that participants who consumed a low-carbohydrate diet experienced more mood disturbances and higher levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. In contrast, those on a balanced diet reported feeling calmer and more emotionally resilient. The power of complex carbs shines through. Savor the wholesome goodness of whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Embrace the colorful splendor of fruits and vegetables that will fuel your brain and brighten your emotions. 3. Probiotics. Prepare to meet the guardians of your gut-brain connection, probiotics. These tiny troopers play a starring role in the bidirectional communication between your gut and brain. They're like translators, sending messages of harmony to your brain, influencing neurotransmitters, immune responses, and inflammation levels. The gut-brain axis has emerged as a groundbreaking area of research in the context of mental health. A meta-analysis published in the journal Annals of General Psychiatry reveals the remarkable potential of probiotics in reducing symptoms of anxiety. They're like friendly diplomats negotiating for peace between your gut and your mind. An illuminating study conducted at McMaster University found that participants who consumed probiotics for just 4 weeks experienced significant improvements in their levels of perceived stress, depression, and anxiety. The probiotic revolution is here. Embrace probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi to keep your gut army well-stocked and ready for action. Remember, a happy gut makes for a joyful mind. Have you recently changed your diet to incorporate more healthful food choices? Tell us in the comments below what positive impacts these changes have had on your mental health. Now, let's talk about the vital vitamins for emotional resilience. 1. Vitamin D. Introducing the Sunshine Vitamin, the radiant star of brain health. Vitamin D is a master regulator, influencing the expression of genes involved in neurotransmitter synthesis and immune functions. It's like a conductor, orchestrating your brain's symphony of emotions. Research, such as the meta-analysis of observational studies, show in the Journal of Nutrients that low vitamin D levels have an undeniable link to the increased risk of depression. Let the sunshine in and brighten your mood. A fascinating study conducted at the University of Manchester found that individuals with higher vitamin D levels had a significantly lower risk of depression and anxiety. It's like a beam of sunlight piercing through the clouds of darkness. Bask in the sun's loving rays for a few minutes a day, allowing your skin to synthesize vitamin D naturally. Savor vitamin D-rich foods like fortified milk, eggs, and fatty fish to keep your brain dancing to the vitamin D tune. 2. B vitamins. Meet the dynamic B vitamin squad. B6, B9 folate, and B12. They're like a team of brain builders working behind the scenes to support your mental well-being. These essential coenzymes partake in numerous biochemical processes, including neurotransmitter synthesis and DNA methylation, which affects gene expression. Studies published in the journal Nutrients emphasize the importance of B vitamins in combating depression and cognitive decline. It's like gifting your brain a symphony of vitamins to keep it humming harmoniously. A groundbreaking clinical trial conducted at the University of Oxford revealed that B vitamin supplementation significantly reduced symptoms of depression in participants with clinical depression. The brain-boosting effects of B vitamins are hard to ignore. Enrich your diet with leafy greens, legumes, avocados, and lean meats, where these brain-boosting B vitamins are found in abundance. As the B team works tirelessly, your brain will thrive. 3. Magnesium, the ultimate relaxation mineral, has entered the scene. Magnesium. As a key player in over 600 enzymatic reactions in your body, including neurotransmitter function and mood regulation, it's like a conductor orchestrating a symphony of calmness in your nervous system. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in the journal PLOS ONE suggests that magnesium supplementation may have a beneficial impact on symptoms of depression. It's like unwinding with a warm, magnesium-infused bath for your brain. A fascinating study conducted at the University of Vermont found that individuals with higher magnesium intake had a significantly lower risk of depression and anxiety. Magnesium is truly a mineral of tranquility. Embrace the abundance of magnesium in nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy greens. Let the calming effects of magnesium serenade your senses. Comment below what vitamins you take and what positive effects you have observed in your mental health. Now, let's talk about foods to limit or avoid that risk contributing to depression and anxiety. 1. Sugar and refined carbohydrates. Beware of the sweet temptations. While sugar and refined carbs might offer a temporary mood boost due to their quick release of dopamine, the subsequent crash can leave you feeling like a deflated balloon. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals that a diet high in added sugars is associated with an increased risk of depression in both men and women. It's like a roller coaster ride that ends in an emotional dip. A groundbreaking study conducted at the University of California, San Francisco, discovered that a diet high in sugar and refined carbs triggered inflammatory responses in the brain, impairing mood regulation. The sugar roller coaster can be a wild ride. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods that provide sustained energy and stable moods. Save the sweet treats for occasional indulgences, and your emotions will thank you. 2. Caffeine and alcohol. Meet the caffeine buzz and the alcohol effect, the wild cards of brain chemistry. While moderate consumption might be tolerated, excessive intake can disrupt your sleep patterns and amplify feelings of anxiety. Studies published in the journal, Current Neuropharmacology, suggest that caffeine may worsen anxiety in susceptible individuals. Likewise, research links excessive alcohol consumption to an increased risk of depressive symptoms. A compelling study conducted at the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism revealed that alcohol interferes with neurotransmitter function and disrupts the brain's delicate balance, leading to mood disturbances. Enjoy your coffee and cocktails in moderation, and balance them with calming herbal teas and refreshing water. Moderation is the key to unlocking the harmony within. We hope this scientific adventure has enlightened you about the profound impact of nutrition on our emotional well-being. Remember, while food and vitamins play an essential role in supporting mental health, they're part of a comprehensive approach to well-being. If you or someone you know is struggling with anxiety or depression, seek support from a healthcare professional. Thank you for joining us on this journey of nourishing our minds to alleviate anxiety and depression. If you found this video enjoyable and informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications to never miss a video that may contain the answer to what you're looking for. Living a life with the tools to combat anxiety and depression awaits you. Here's to emotional resilience and a brighter, healthier future.